Hi everyone, this is your math guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the following math puzzle using the concept of algebra. I have a plus d equals to 5, d minus b equals to 2, in bracket c plus c, close bracket, multiplying 2 equals to 12, and the last equation, a plus c equals to 4. We have to find the value of a, b, c, and d as shown. If you look at all the equations given, we have different variables and the minimum for each one is 2, most of them. However, I can see that in the third line, I only have c as the only variable for that equation. So I'm going to start with line c, which states that c plus c, close bracket, times 2 equals to 12. The first step is to get rid of my 2. And because I'm multiplying on the left, to get rid of the 2, I'm going to divide by 2. So, using the balance method, whatever you do on your left, you do on your right. So we have the 2 as the same factor at the top and at the bottom. That cancels out. I'm left with c plus c in the bracket equals 12 divided by 2 on the right, 6. If I add c and c, that means I need two numbers which are the same. If I add together, will give me 6, and that is 3. To solve it algebraically, I have c plus c, that's 2c equals to 6. And like I did earlier, to get rid of my 2, I'm going to divide both sides by 2. I have 2 into 1, therefore the value of c is equal to 6 divided by 2, which is 3. So I'm going to fill that in. C is equal to 3. Now that I know the value of c, I'm going to look for another equation that has c, and that will be the fourth equation, which states that a plus c equals to 4. So if I have a plus c equals to 4, all I need to do is to substitute the value of c. So I have sub c, which I was able to calculate as 4. So what that means is every occurrence of c, I change or I replace with 3. So I have a plus 3 equals to 4. To get rid of my 3, I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides. I'm still using the balance method. So I have a plus 0 equals, because 3 minus 3 cancels out, that's 0. And on my right hand side, I have 4 minus 3, that's 1. So therefore, the value of a is 1. I need to find b and d. So using the first equation, because I know the value of a, the first equation states that a plus d equals to 5. So I'm going to substitute the value of a, which is equal to 1, into the equation, and then my equation becomes a becomes 1 plus d equals to 5. So using the balance method again, to get rid of my 1, I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides. Always remember, balance method, whatever you do on your left, you do on your right. So I have 1 minus 1, that's 0, so that cancels out. On my left, I'm left with d equals 5 minus 1, which is 4. So the value of d is 4. And the last but not the least, I have d minus b equals to 2. Please don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button below for more solutions to math puzzles. So now I'm going to substitute my d equals to 4 into my equation. So that will be 4 minus b equals to 2. Now, note that the value of b here is negative. To make that positive, I'm going to add b to both sides, meaning I'm moving my b from my left to my right. And once it crosses the equal sign, the sign changes. So therefore, if I have plus b on both sides, I have plus b. What I have now will be, this goes off, b minus b, that's 0. I'm left with 4 equals 2 plus b. And then I'm going to take out 2 from both sides so that I have my positive b on the right hand side using the balance method again. 4 minus 2 on the left hand side, that's 2. 2 minus 2, that's 0, so that cancels out. I'm left with b. So therefore, the value of b is 2. Thanks for watching. Bye.